Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to prepare these super easy appetizers, jerk meatballs. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Also please to go and follow me on Instagram at Alice's_kitchen. Now, let us cook. So guys, here we have our ground beef and I'm using the lean ground beef. To season that, I'm using garlic powder, onion powder, meat season, paprika, dried parsley flakes, and black pepper. I'll also be using 1 tablespoon of chopped red bell pepper, a tablespoon and a half of chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of jerk season, and 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Now you want to combine everything together. Last but not least, I'm using 1 whole egg. You guys can go ahead and use breadcrumb as well if you have. I didn't have any on hand, so I made the meatballs without it. And it was really tender and delicious regardless. Now guys, I'm gonna form each in bite-sized balls and place them on that wooden cutting board. Now guys, I wanted to fry these instead of baking them, but I realized time was not on my hand, so yeah. So now guys, I'm placing them on a baking tray and I'm gonna bake these for about 15 to 20 minutes at a temperature at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now guys, ensure that your oven is preheated before you place these in the oven. And here you have it guys, these were in the oven for 20 minutes to be exact. I went ahead and I picked these with toothpick, you know, just so you don't have to get your hands messy. Very super easy appetizer to prepare guys, as you can tell from me making them. So delicious and they were super tender guys. I also went ahead and made some jerk mayo, you know, a simple dipping sauce for your appetizer. But I do hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Like, comment, share, and please subscribe to my channel, guys. Also, please to go and follow me on Instagram at Alicia's_kitchen, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.